Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $78.16, and I've already told you that if the price started going above a level of 77, chances will be very high that we can see a further upside movement. Okay, now it is the price is trading above a level of 77. Now remember this is the level. If it tries to keep on sustaining this level, a further upside towards 79, and then from there a level of around 81 we can see. Okay, and once started sustaining above 83.5, we will see there will be an uptrend, and this pattern will support this thing, and the probability of going towards 88 we can see, and then from there probability of crossing 90 also we can see. Okay, look at this particular trend. This was a trend which will form after 83.5 if the price sustain, but if the price started falling below a level of around $72, then this pattern will sustain, and from there a probability of moving further low we can see. Okay, and then from there we can see it can touch a level of 68 and then further down. Okay, this is what we have seen looking at these two particular patterns. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, in a telegram link, how the dollar index is moving on a weekly basis, so you will understand how the price of crude can move, because they are inversely related. See, understand the price is continuously moving upside, and we can see these are one of the factor which I am telling you. Suppose if any of the countries is importing this amount of quantity, okay, with X amount of dollars, okay, when the dollar index prices move up, we can see that the country has to pay more for the same quantity, so it is affecting import and export. This is what we can see, the fluctuation in the price of commodities. Okay, now the price is trading above a level of 104.275, and if the price keeps sustaining above a level of 104.7, we will see there will be an upside movement, and chances can be high a further high week 104.8, and it can touch a level of 104.8, and from there it can touch a level of $104.5, and then from there a further upside movement we can see. Looking at this particular chart, chances will be very high that we can see it will cross that level, and from there a further high we can see. And then if you look at this particular trend of crude, we can see there will be higher chances if the price keeps sustaining over 79, a further upside. But if started moving below this level of $75 we can see. Okay, now let's see where the price sustain. Chances are high that it will sustain because there is a clear pattern forming, so we can see it can go towards a level of around $78.6 if the price sustain this level, and from there a probability of touching a level of 79.32. Okay, and once the price started sustaining above a level of 79.32, because this level is already being tested, so chances are high it will cross a level of 79.65, and from there a probability of going towards a level of 82.3. 82.3 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will go above that level, and from there it will touch a level of around 83.5. 83.5 is also being tested, so chances are high it will go above that level, and from there it will cross that zone and it will touch a level of 85. Once the price started sustaining 85, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $88, and if the price keeps sustaining above 88, a further upside movement we can see. Remember this, as soon as the price started moving above a level of 88, a further upside towards 90 also we can see, and if it started going above that level, we will see it will cross a level of 92. Okay, and if the price keep moving above 92, a further high we can see towards a level of around $93.6, and from there a further high. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Now understand something. See, market is always uncertain. If you are thinking that it will move as per you, no, it will not. You have to understand something, that always try to putting your SL is very important in order to save your capital. If you can save this capital, you can trade more. Okay, and then chances of winning is more. But once you are started in profit, then you can trail your profit, because this trailing your profit will save your profit, and you can be more risk. You can take more risk. You will be in good confidence, and all these things will happen. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards its next support at a level of $77.21. Okay, if the price fall below this level, we can see a level of $76. Once the price started falling below 76, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 74.38, and this pattern is forming, so chances are high we will see a level of $72.5. Okay, and if that level move further low, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 69 and then to a level of 68. Keep that in mind. There will be higher chances that as soon as it started falling below 68, we can see a level of 67.76, and from there a level of around $64. Okay, and once the price started falling below $64, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 63.5, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 61.47. 61.47 is already being a weak support, so chances are high we can see it will fall further down towards a level of 60, and then from there a further fall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or given the mail ID is also in the description.